Okay, and the race is about to begin. This is the boat of Mr. Dave Hernandez. You see the genius engineering and Yatos.
No, it's
Nova.
CP.
CP and Nova. And here is the owner. The next. Oh, look at that genius. Wait. Can you tell something? Wow. Wait, let me see. Let us see. Ah, that's very good. Can you tell us about your
Wanna eat?
model, sir?
Wanna eat?
No, thank you. Tell us about your
Pakita ko
model.
na ng purpose sa pagkaon.
Dali lang yung naguba. If the ship is
Hungry?
go you put the camera there. If the ship is
You
go
point.
there.
There?
Okay na.
Okay.
If this ship goes there over the fence, shut out there yung mother, father. If the ship goes out there and it will capsize.
Capsize.
The breast will capsize, no? I mean, it will baliktad. It will feed the little fishes.
Fishes.
Yes.
Little fishes.
And the big fish over there, Lara. Come here.
And the big fish.
Yeah, there.
There she is.
Hi.
Hello.
Stick me.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Okay, you're not.
You're not finished?
Yeah.
You shut up there. You shut up there. Give me that. Thank you.
And for our third contestant, sir.
Ano to?
Tell something about your boat, sir.
Ang ay mo balay pusta ko. Ingenuity ni Pachila ya.
Talang styrofoam ka, mong down. Ako niya, Sprite, yung butil.
Oh, no mo. Down. Imo ya.
May Sprite ya to.
Ano na nga barko?
Ang plastic yan, rin mo kaya lobe, ninyo yan, no? Down, ninyo.
Ito ka po, yung tuturahan niya.
Tawab la, malutaw na.
Pusta mo balay mo? Ay, ba na?
Our audience.
No, ako wala balay na pusta mo.
Oo, eh.
Tao.
Nagbisigamig.
Ako naman, kung umigana ka pa mamusta balay.
Oo, sos. Sa championship, bot? Champion bot. Bot. Ipusta na, Mimig. Sige, we will start the resume the video coverage when the race starts. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Resuming, we're back. So the finished product of our racers. Very well done. And the once great Moby Dick is now just a dick.
Taga Harvard na. Tanawa. Amo na sudlo ng Harvard siya.
Pinakabarato.
Barato. Malambot. Nagkaungalan po.
Sige na. Blastar. Oh my God. Ano na interview ko sa sugod-sugod?
Status lang yun. Nagtaon ko na iba, sibla may dinaya.
Sige na, butang na.
Sige, pati may dinaya.
Place your shape, boat.
One,
2, 3, go! Dito galing sa seawall, kikuso gangin. We will reset the venue. Now we're back. Sige na. Dagdag nyo lang eh. Sige na. Dasigan nyo lang. Ready? Ready. Hindi ka. Ready, get, go. Dagdag na. Idagdag na. Go. So, kana tiga. Butang na. Tiga, makigan mo ni karon. Go.
Kabubo mo na naman.
And so, Titanic is sinking.
May barko na ka mo na.
Yung!
Pabalota ka mo na barko to.
Uy, tama na. Uy, alinaw mo na.
Paano ang damig?
Sige, sige na.
Balik.
Sir, how does it feel?
It's okay.
Yes.
The set part, no. Ay nga.
Meg, how does it feel, Meg?
Do ka bias ang result part.
Nga. Right.
Gago! Thanks! Gago, tutoriado na na. Imo yan.
Gago, batura nila, oh.
Say hi.
Friends, how does it feel? How does it feel?
I saw it. Look there.
Gago, nagbudilig ko. Guys.